Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Aishah Binti Mohamed matric number F21A1247. I am a final year student from Faculty of AGRO-Based Industry in SPH course. Today, I would like to share my industrial training experience at Hotlai Resources Berhad, which I was training at Tiang Dua Pulut Farm. First and foremost, thank you to the Hotlai Resources Berhad for giving me the opportunity to undergo my internship at this company. Special thanks to my supervisor, Puan Nurhaiti bin Haji Momi, for all the guidance, support and knowledge shared throughout my training. Not forget to my family, friend and husband for provided support and motivation to I complete my internship. Lastly, I also thanks to University Malaysia Kelantan for including industrial training as a part of the final year subject, so it has given me a valuable real-world experience. So, let's me begin with the general introduction of this company. Introduction to organization. Hotlai Resources Berhad is one of Malaysia's leading and fully integrated poultry companies. It began as a 50 acres layer farm in Serkan, Melaka. It has since expanded into a multinational enterprise operating in feed mills, hatcheries, layer and broiler farm, egg processing, pellet egg tray, organic fertilizer and poultry plant product. The company supplies the high-quality poultry product both locally and internationally, especially to markets like Singapore and Indonesia. Now, let me share a bit more detail about the organization background of this company. Hotlai. Hotlai Resources Berhad was established in 1973 as a small-scale layer farm in Serkan, Melaka. Hotlai Resources Berhad is one of the leading producers of commercial table egg and poultry production in Malaysia. The company operates as a fully integrated poultry business under the concept of the modern generation of poultry production. Now, the company has grown into the large-scale, fully integrated poultry operation with modern facilities across Malaysia. It is capable for producing approximately 4 million eggs per day, making it one of the largest egg producers in the country. Hotlai manages its own breeder farm, hatcheries, feed mill, layer farm, and processing and packaging plant to ensure full control over product quality. The main breeder used for layer chickens are Sandy White and Lohmann Brown, sourced from Lohmann Breeder, Germany. Next, vision and mission. The vision is to achieve the highest possible quality in all poultry products and deliver superior value to customer and consumer. The mission to become the preferred supplier and partner in the poultry and provide sustenance for the entire nation of Malaysia. Here is the organization chart of Hotlai Resources Berhad headquarters. Meanwhile, this is the organization chart for Tiang Dua Farm where I complete my industrial training. Hotlai Resources Berhad offer a wide range of valuable products and service in poultry industry, include broiler for meat, layer, egg processing, poultry processing such as nugget, sausage, and meatball. Not only that, it also manufactures its own poultry feed to ensure nutritional quality. To support the sustainability, Hotlai converts chicken manure into organic fertilizer through its subsidiary Green Friend Fertilizer Sdn Berhad, and also produce eco-friendly paper egg tray for packaging. In addition to poultry farming, this company also manages oil plant plantation, which add to its strength as a diversified agri-business. Now we go to the chapter 2, which is the summary of the industrial training activity. During my industrial training at Hotlai Resources Berhad, I was assigned to various poultry farms focused on daily health check, vitamin and supplement preparation, chick and pullet handling, vaccination program, postmortem examination and organ sampling, blood sampling and semen separation, culling of underperforming chick. Throughout the training period, I gained practical knowledge and hands-on experience in managing the health and development of chicken from the old chick to the pre-laying stage. The key activity I consistently perform include daily health check. I conduct routine visual inspection to detect any signs of illness, weakness, abnormal behavior, or mortality among the chicken. This part include observe feeding patterns, posture, and movement. Next, prepare vitamin drinking water to support the immunity and growth of chick, especially during the early life stage and post-vaccination period. I also practice proper technique in catching and restraining chicken for weighing, health check, and vaccination. I need to handling the chick carefully to reduce stress or injury to the bird. For vaccination program, I participate in preparing and administering both live and kill vaccine, including intramuscular and wingwag injection method. I also assist in monitoring post-vaccination reaction and maintaining the cold chain protocol. Next, postmortem examination and organ sampling. It is to determine cause of early mortality. Internal organs such as liver, intestine, kidney, and yolk were collected for analysis. This was done in early day-old chick. I also assist in the blood sample and separation of the serum. After pullet in 5-week-old, blood sample were collected via jugular vein. Then blood sample were processed to separate serum, which is essential for diagnostic testing and antibody titer evaluation. Lastly, the culling of underperforming chick. I need to identify and remove chick or pullet that did not meet the key performance indicator KPIs such as weight, physical development, and behavior. Culling was done to maintain the overall host health and productivity. Next, we move to the next chapter, chapter 3, that I will share about my main technical activity. This includes the old chick management, vaccination program, and preparation of pullet house before new chick arrive. So, let me start with the day-old chick management. The DOC management phase is one of the most critical part of poultry production. A day before they arrive, I help prepare the house by checking water lines, mixing vitamin water, and setting heater to around 35 degrees Celsius, and also closing all ventilation to the retained heat. After the chick was arrived, we give them the vitamin water for 1 hour, then provide a full feed. I was involved in the monitoring the chick activity and identifying the weak chicken to be moved to the medical cage, where they will receive the special feed with the glucose and vitamin. This experience taught me the importance of early care, close operation, and teamwork. I learned how the small action like checking the water or heater temperature can make a big difference in chick survival and performance. Next, the vaccination program. Vaccination is important in pullet production to prevent the disease outbreak, improve pullet immunity, and ensure the high productivity. I was directly involved in the vaccine preparation, administration, and post-vaccination monitoring. Throughout the program, I was involved in different vaccination techniques, including the oral administration using the mouth droppers such as Avipro and ILT blend, ocular application like eye drop, especially for the live vaccines such as Lasota and iBird, intramuscular injection for kill vaccines like Coryza, H9, and Salmonella, also the wingwag method for AE pox vaccine, where the vaccine is applied between the wing skin. From this vaccination program, it helped me to the valuable hands-on experience in poultry immunization. So I can learn to handle the bird gently but firmly and prepare vaccine carefully and follow the strict hygiene procedure. From this vaccination program, it helped me to the valuable hands-on experience in poultry immunization. So I can learn to handle the bird gently but firmly and prepare vaccine carefully and follow the strict hygiene procedure. Another major task during my internship was preparing the pullet house before the arrival of new batch of chicks. Proper house preparation is essential to create a clean, safe, and biosecure environment that supports the chick adaptation and minimize the early stage of the mortality. First, run the feed chain to remove the leftover feed, then clean and brush it. Then tie and arrange all electric wire and lamps safely using the canvas. Sweep the floor and ensure the house was fully clean. All motors were arranged in their correct position. After that, formalin spray was applied before the cleaning process. 200 liter water plus 25 liter formalin. The house was sealed and left closed for 1 day. Then clean all the pullet house using the soap water until clean. Once the inside was complete, the outside area was clean, include the feed silo. Lastly, after all the cleaning process was done, maintenance were checked. If have the broken item, we will report and fix within 1 week. After everything was clean, the house was working with the disinfection. The full cleaning and setup process took around 2 weeks before the chick arrival. Next chapter is the conclusion. In conclusion, my industrial training at this company has provided me with valuable hands-on experience in the field of poultry farming, particularly in pullet management. This training not only improved my technical abilities, but also taught me the importance of teamwork, discipline, and attention to detail in maintaining the pullet house health and farm productivity. Next, we move to the suggestion part that include for faculty, industry, and for myself. For faculty, the academic supervisor must conduct at least 1 visit to the internship location. So, this would help to strengthen the connection between the faculty and industry, and also allow the supervisor to better understand the student working environment and challenges. Other suggestion for me, please provide a clear plan and timeline at the beginning. So students having a clear internship guideline at the start, including important deadline, expected tasks, and report submission date. This can help us to manage our time and responsibilities more effectively throughout the internship. Next, to industry, I suggest please assign inter-student in group for safety and comfort, especially at the farm that have foreign worker. Next, please provide a clear job scope for intern student that can help students to reduce confusion and help intern to adapt faster to their work environment. Lastly, to myself, please maintain professional at all times, including how I to communicate, dress, and interact with other staff. Also, I suggest to myself to improve the time management, especially when juggling between the daily tasks, logbook update, and presentation report. I should planning the first to reduce last-minute stress. Last part of my presentation is the memorable in the industry and university. But before I share about my memories, I want to give some quotation to my junior. To my junior, please remember this. Internship is not about knowing everything. It is about showing that you are willing to learn anything. So please stay curious, stay humble, and take every opportunity as a step forward. And grow begin when you are willing to try. Here is the most memorable industry. These pictures show my first time holding a chicken while checking the vaccine entry. And this is the picture of the most memorable at University Malaysia Kelantan Jeli. Not just a picture, but everything were being true. This memory will always remind me how far we all come together.